Welcome friends, I am Urmila Durgude and as usual, this is self-development and art appreciation for standard 9. And in previous two periods, we already finished unit first and unit second. Now today we are going to learn the next unit number 3, values. So friends, first of all understand what is value. We often use this word in daily life. These word reflects in different three ways mainly. And what are these three ways? You can call them as value means importance, or value means charge, or in simple manner it is effect. Okay, so always remember that value means importance, charge, or effect. Simply in three ways it reflects in our life. Value has some different meanings also. So as the situation is, we can use this word like that. If we want to show any importance, useful thing, or worthy, beneficial for us, then also we use this value. Or you can say any person's principles, rules, norms, the definite things, a regular routine, habits, we also call it as value, personality value. Okay, or we can say that any particular useful anyone's opinion too. It is a something about any particular thing. When we give any standard particular, our viewpoint, our standpoint, that time also we use this word. These opinion value like that, we use this word. Okay, so this word reflects in different ways in our life. We can use any way. These 4-5 ways I just explain you. In that way we use this value. So value is very important word and important way of our daily routine, our daily life, our behavior. Okay, so it's a effect only. So remember simply, it's a effect. So value means what? Effect. Let's have some objectives. So first of all, I read that. Be able to explain the term values and the origin of values in their own words. So you have to also express. You need to express this word in your own words. What we understand by this word? What is value? So try to get the answer in your own words. What is that? You take care of your things, means you value them. Or when you buy something very precious, then also you use this word. Or if anything is very useful, essential, very important for us, that time also we use this word. It is valuable for me. It means to me. I like it. I care for it. Like this, we use this value in different terms. So, value is the effect of any situation, That times happens. Understand? You have to write down the or you need to determine this term value in your own words in your notebook. Remember? And the second one, be able to identify their personal values. We have our personal values. We all are very unique persons, useful to our society. We have our own importance, own weightage. So value, the term also used as the weightage. Okay. So be able to determine if they afford their values at all times. Every time you have to value your principles, your rules, your behaviors, your norms. If you go anywhere, you forget about all the rules. I am now like a free bird and wonder whatever I want to do. So nothing that. Always value your behavior each and every place. And what are you thinking about this sentence? You have to write it down. Be able to plan for a change in behavior so as to uphold the values. Uphold means always with it. Don't forget our own values every time. You are a valuable, important, unique person, useful, and beneficial to others also, to you and to others also. So you are important. You have a special place in this society. So give importance to you. Find out your own interest and your own habits which are good, or try to change your bad habits. That is the use of value in our life. Okay? And when you do the usual things, typically, every time regularly, then that habits change into our value. So we will learn it afterwards. Be able to differentiate between values and norms. So what is value and what is norms? You know what is values. Values means effects, importance. Okay. Or norms. Norms means we can say it is a standard, typical thing coming along very long time. Norms means the fixed things, we can say it is typical, fixed, standard, or values may be changes or changes usually. A nice person always changes its value in each and every situation. Why? Because the situation is different. Whether he likes always something particular, but when he going outside any other place with other persons, he keep its interest aside and taking interest with them, he changes its value here suddenly because he want to interact with them as a family member, as a nice friend. So values are changeable and you have to change them as a situation. Okay? But the norms are typical, standard, fixed. The girls are beautiful and don't like to work, don't like to study. But boys always do all the work very interestingly. Or vice versa. What can be the norms? That is not important. But any norms is always typical, fixed it is. Anywhere we go, every people say like this same sentence everywhere. That is norms only. But we can change our values, our behavior, our thinking. So values is, we transform this word into thinking also. So value means thinking, truth. Okay? We have here some situations, let's read them. What are values? Two situations are here given. Let's read. Yusuf packed all his valuables in a suitcase to keep them safe. So we always take care of our valuable things because we pay for it a big amount. In the form of amount, here value word is indicated. And Delcy found her father's new car to be great value for me, money. Here, value, this word is taken as money, amount. We should value others' time. Here, we should value others' time. Means we have to learn to give importance to others' time. So value reflects here as importance. Shalini complains. Shalini complains that nobody valued her talent. So no one can value her talent because she is very talented. This value word here reflects as examine. We cannot examine her. How was her intelligence, her art, her passion? Like this, we cannot examine. We cannot imagine. She has a vast brain or great imagination or great passion, art. Like this, she want to say. Okay, the next one. Akshay says honesty is my value. Honesty is my value. Value here is a quality, goodness, habit. He always give importance to the honesty in each and every situation or anywhere, any place, doesn't matter. He always stick with his rules and norms, regulations. Always stick. Any situation he not disturb. Always come to stand as honesty. So honesty is Akshay's value, his nature, his behavior, like that. So every person afterwards, we can knowing that he is a very strict person, like this we always talking about. So strictness is his value. Understand? Like this. Points to ponder. Ponder means thinking, you know that. Norms and principles which are influenced by the place of birth. Example, country, religion, caste, etc. Where we are born, we live there, we spend our childhood there. That places, that surrounding influence us. To keep an influence means what? Prabhav affects us, changes us. So that influence also giving some qualities in us or any qualities too. It's depend on you to choose which one. We follow most of the times in different roles or situations we feel we must do at all time are called values. Here, value means doings, our habits, our daily routine. Understand? Every time, most of the time, in different situations we play different roles. When we go outside, we behave like a citizen, or in our home, we are a family member, as a sister, as a brother, as a student, as a father, our friend. Our roles always changes. As the person nearby you changes, situation changes, place changes, our role changes every time. So when we changes our role, we also changes our likeness, our habits, and involves always doing others what others like, what others expect from you. Be doing like this. That is the value of you only. Because when you do the things what others like, they love you, they like you. That is your full value only. And when you opposes all the things, I don't like this, I am not interested in doing this, all this when you doing, they didn't give you any importance. They ignore you or they don't like your company. So it is your disvalue, understand? So a good habit, good behavior, good thinking, good acting, good interaction, good cooperation is a value. So value word. So see the next page, number 23. Why are values important? Let's start with an example. It is the last day to pay the fees. So here one situation is given. You forget to bring the money to pay the fees. You accidentally find the money that your friend has brought to pay his fees. You will be trouble. If you don't, you will be in trouble if you don't pay the fees. And you are tempted to use his money. So what is the situation here? You need to pay this fees of the school on that particular day, particular time. You don't have much more time now. This is the last day to pay your fees, school fees. Okay, that is the main situation. Your friend and you both have to need to pay that fees today only, because this is the last day. But you forget to bring the fees with you, and your friend brought the fees with him, but unfortunately he lost him, and you will get that money. Understand, the situation is like that. Here you are tempted. Tempted means what? Tempted means we want that, we attracted with that, but the thing is wrong. So what you want here? You want to keep that money with you and give as your own fees, but the money belongs to your friend only, not you. So this is the wrong thing, this is the bad thing. But you attracted, you want to do this. So that is like situation that you take interest, but the wrong thing. The word indicate as tempted. I am wrongly tempted with that thing. Like this we always talking. Because I don't want to do this. I want to keep me away. But it's a habit. Be addicted like that. We also use this word. Okay. So in that situation, what is given the next points? Let's read here. But even your friend needs it. You have two options here. What would you do? On what basis would you choose? First option is given here in one circle, and the second one also in the second circle. So let's read here. Option 1. Return the money to your friend and face your own problem with your own standard. Okay. And the option number 2. Use your friend's money as if it is your own. So imagine like this, money is your own because you found it. So you forget about all the things and give the fees to the teacher like your own. The second option is like that. And the first one is show your honesty, behave like a good person and return it back. So two situations are discussed here in the letter lines. Let's read. Option 2 is the easiest one to choose. What is the option 2? Keep that money with you like this, or use what you want to do. Think about it. If we always choose the easy option available in every situation, people will not see a consistency in our behavior. People will an opinion that this person is not trustworthy and sincere. Also think about a situation where everybody in the society is selfish and cheating each other for their own self-interest. Everybody will stop trusting each other and will lead to unrest in the society. Hence, we have peace, cooperation, trust, unity in society, which are important to our growth. It is very important to have consistency in one's behavior and a strong personal value system. So, what the first paragraph tells us here, we must have one particular consistency in one's behavior. What is the meaning of this line? So consistency means accuracy only, accuracy, correctness, or a necessary logic which is useful to keep a peace and cooperation, like a family behavior in our society. A particular consistency is needful, particular logic needful, particular accuracy needful, and it's depend on our behavior only. We are the part of the society only. So change in you, change in society. The peoples in the society are not trusted, not trustworthy, or very behaves badly with each other. Think how was that society? There is no peace. Nobody can trust with each other. Or everywhere we can see only selfishness. Only selfishness. Everyone thinks about himself, oneself only, not about others. So this atmosphere is not well for a proper development. You know that. So let's come to the next paragraph. When we consider an action to be correct, we try to do it frequently. Slowly our approach is developed based on the action, which then becomes a habit. So when we doing always correct things or good things, it becomes our habit. So it is a natural thing, a natural behavior. It is when we doing anything regularly. Frequently means what? Regularly, without stopping. Regularly, when we doing anything, it becomes our habit. We are habitual to do that only. If you always walking or running very early in the morning every day, at first you have some trouble to do that. But when you do this frequently, regularly, it's your habit. Automatically you get up in the early and going outside, running very long way and come back. It is your habit only now. So when we do the things frequently, it's convert into our habit. And slowly this habit changes our approach. Approach is a word also we use in different ways. Here approach means our drishtikon. In Marathi we can say that our style to handle any situation. Okay, approach means our style to handle any situation. That is our behavior, we can say. Here approach is word like that. See the next lines. Our habits are responsible for developing our attitude. So what is attitude? Attitude means our thinking angle only, acting angle. To act or to live in the society in a particular manner, our standard point, our point of view, we can call it as attitude. It is the way only, your style, you can say in simple words. So when we do all anything regularly, frequently, it's converted into our habits, and that habits are slowly converted into our attitude, our style it is. Okay, our recognition. The society recognizes you that he is a boy who runs every day early in the morning, regular, like this. They understand you with that quality. This attitude converts into your quality then. Okay. Our values are then based on our attitude. Looking at things here, one process is given: approach, then habit, attitude, and values. Just I explain you. So approach means what here? Thinking. You are thinking. What we think, that we do only. So well thinking, well doing, like this. So approach means you are well thinking and you think I have to do this and doing like this regularly. Then this regular doing converts into your habit and people understand you. This is your habit, like this. This habit is your recognition, your point of view, your standpoint. It is your standpoint, remember. And this standpoint give you a value by the society. Understand? So approach, thinking is always correct, good. And as your thinking approach is good, your doing also good. Your doing means your habits only, and when you do it regularly, it's become your style, your attitude. Others can recognize you with that quality, and that is your value in the society. Understand? So let's come to the next point. You prefer wearing simple clothes. Then you like people wearing simple clothes. Slowly our approach, habits and attitude reflect simplicity in all aspects of life. Simplicity then becomes an integral part of our personal value system. So our personal value system having an integral part of our qualities. So someone likes simplicity, simple wearing. He always prefer. He don't like to wear the stylish wearings like this. This is his recognition. Society recognizes him like this is a simple man, a nice person. So our wearings, our outer behavior also reflects on the society. Remember. So simple living and high thinking, we call it like this. If we are going outside in a very standard look, but not doing anything correctly, so no need to give you outer look wise. So always thinking reflects a good effect on others, not your outer behavior. That is important, I have no doubt it is, but not so important as your thinking. Understand? So well thinking, well habits, well attitude, and well attitude take a value to you. Okay? So here integral part. Always try to become your values as your integral part of your life. Integral means we cannot keep it away. It is intact. It is important. It is a regular part of our life. That is the value. Okay. When we do anything as a regular, intact part, always connect with it. Each and every place, always come to fix with it. Integral parts need to fix with it. Always keep it with us. It is an integral part of life. Then the value is your recognition. Understand? So let's see the points. of points to ponder. Importance of value. Values give you guideline to one's life. In this way, when people understand you, this is a nice guy doing always like this. So if you any situation want to do the another thing, then also you think about the other. No, they are what they thinking about me. They recognize me like this quality. So I don't. I always keep me away from this. Like this, your thinking changes. This means that the values give you a guideline to do this, not to do this. Understand? Values help one understand which things are important, more important and meaningful in life. So values also tells us which one is important and which one is not important. So values are very important in our life. A person whose personal value system is not fully developed often makes impulsive emotional choices out of short-term selfish motives. So that persons which are always selfish, not having a value, they always changes their behavior, thinking, seeing the situation. If they going anywhere outside, they don't like to eat the sweets, but the sweets are free. They changes their likeness and having to eat sweets, though they don't like. Like this, these are all the type of selfish persons in our society. So they don't have any value. We don't give them any value at all. Understand? So then they don't have any good guideline in their life. They don't have any correct aim. Values influence one's thoughts, behaviors, decisions, as well as determine the importance of things in life. So values influence totally in different ways in our life. We can change our behavior, we can change our decisions, as well as we can determine the importance of valuable things. To determine means what? To determine means to accept, take them, or change them, or think about them. That is the determination, we can say in simple words. Understand? So values take a nice influence on us. See the next page 24, personal values. So here we have to examine to us only how I am. We already learned about who am I. Okay. Now here we have to understand how am I. Okay. Personal values. Personal values determine our life. So it is important to identify the values like personal values define our life. So it is important to identify the values that are important to each individual. Personal values will differ from person to person. So personal values always differ from person to person. This person is like that, this person is. All persons are different because every person is unique. Everyone has one particular good quality or a particular bad quality. Everyone's thinking is different, so the behavior value different. Understand? Thinking is different and all other things are different. So here we have to define our personal value. Let's have some points here. Influence of personal values on habits. Many more situations are given here, means we can call them as a quality. So let's see which qualities are good or which one is bad. Okay, first one is empathy. So what is empathy? The meaning is also given. Being able to understand and share somebody else's feelings. So always if your friend is in a bad situation, he is feeling very sad. So showing your empathy, you can pat his feet and tell him that, friend, I am with you in each and every condition. So don't worry. Okay. So be happy. What is your problem? Please share with me, and I will decide how can I help you. Okay, like that we are always talking. So that is what that is showing empathy. Share others' problems and try to solve in together manner. Understand? The next, integrity. Speaking the truth, not cheating, not deceiving, standing by your beliefs and words. So no cheating, not deceiving. These words means in Marathi, no फसवणूक. So don't cheat any other person always. Keep your mind firm. If there is profit for you, but forget about the profit only. Only remind your values. Only remember your values. Forget about the benefits. Understand? Here you have to speak always truth. Whether the truth in any situation you get a loss, no problem, or you may get profit. So both things are, both situations may be happen, but in each and every situation you have to stick with your values and be truthful. That is integrity only. Punctuality, you know that. So do all the things in time only. Value the others' time and value your times. Keep time as a valuable thing with you. Justice, being fair and responsible, reasonable. Okay, reasonable it is. Being fair, fair means good. Always being good with the others, that is justice. Humanity, not feeling superior to others and treat everyone politely. Always look others as you only. You are not superior from them. Not treat them as I am. This and these are all the common peoples like that. So always think about others people like they are our family members only. So keep them as in equal level and then interact with them. That is we call as humanity. Understand? Cleanliness, being clean, doing work in a neat, hygienic manner. Means always do each and everything with in a happy mood. So always sadly, I have to do this, I don't like this. Not like that. Always do all the things with taking interest only. Try your best only. Then the output, the effect is good, you know that, no doubt. The next one, courage. Doing or saying something even in the face of difficult situations. Always try to speak out. Don't keep it in your mind. Take a fixed stand. Show your courage and spoke on the face only, not back. So what is your opinion? Spoke it out. That is courage. Okay. Dignity of labor. Treating people doing all type of work with equal dignity and respect. Not considering it below your dignity to do any work. We oftenly see that some people are doing a small type of work and we are doing a superior work. So don't treat them as they are inferior to you. Always behave lovingly with them. They are happy, then they doing their work very happily, lovingly. They trust on you. Like that you can increase your value in society. So always see others as your family members. That is dignity of labor. Don't say then that this is not fit in our society, or he is not having a level like us. So ignore him. Don't do that. Don't do that like this. Don't do. Always see a society person, society part in that worker. So worker is a great person. He keeps our society clean and neat. Always doing regular working and not showing any attitude. Very kindly he is doing his work, loving his work. So they are kind persons, nice persons. So don't treat them as a worker. Treat them as a society part. Show your humanity. Show your dignity. Understand? So self-discipline. Following what has been decided, agreed upon, even if it is hard or demanding, and when nobody is watching. Self-discipline. Self-discipline means your self-mind control only. Mind control. If you have to give any work to do this in time, this time, or nobody is watching you, that time you are saying nobody is watching me. Now I am doing, what can I do? What I want to do? Like this. Don't be like a selfish person or a bad person. Understand? If there is nobody watching you, then also listen your mind, take an interest in that work and try to do your best and give the nice effect. And when all the work is done and others praising you, that is your point of value. Understand? So don't think like that, nobody is seeing me. This thinking is very bad. That is self-control, self-discipline only. Forgiveness. Forgiving people for their mistakes. Oftenly we see that mistakes are happening around us. So forgive them. Try to forgive them. Don't want to take revenge on them. Understand? Simplicity. Living a simple life without giving too much importance to material possessions or outward appearance. Outward appearance. Don't give much more importance for that. Don't spend much more money, or no need to buy the expensive things. Only the clean and good wearings is fit for you. That is the simplicity. Spending your money very using your awareness, not for your enjoy. Spend your money for the needy things only. That is your integral part, and you have to spend the money for that. In that situation only spend the money. Don't spend money don't store all the things that you don't want regularly. Likewise, this is called the simplicity. The simple thinking and good doing. That is simplicity. See the next page. Find the values. So here some situations are given. So let's read fastly without wasting time. Given below are some brief case studies. Brief means short, very short study here. Read and discuss which values are practiced by the characters in the case studies. Mohan is a milkman. He delivers milk every day to many houses. Other milkmen mix water in their milk to increase the quantity and thereby the profits. However, Mohan refuses to do this so. To refuse means not agree. He is not agree to add the water in the milk because he treats others like his family members, like a part of society. He is have awareness or responsibilities with the society. He is a nice person. This is his valuable thing. Okay. Joseph's mother has gone to nearby town. His friends ask him to join them for a movie. However, he has his exams and he know that he needs to study. So he excuses himself. Excuse means refuse only. So here Joseph's friends invite him to see the movie. His mother is not at the home. And the next day he has exams or coming exams. He need to study here, not watching movie. So Joseph thinks about that, the situation. My mother is not here, then also I have to study. That is the needful situation. Now he recognizes what to do and what not to do. Understand? He giving importance to his study, his career, he valued it. Okay, Nilima is always on time for her commitments. Once a job is assigned to her, she always ensures that she gives it her best and submits in on time. So here, Nilima, when taken any work to do from others, she always completes it in time only, trying her best and do the work nice in time and giving to that particular person in the time. Okay, so she values the time here, her and others. She values her work too here. So she is always anxious to do this in this time. Anxious means to fix it in mind, to decide. Okay. So she is always on time on her commitment. Like that. Ratan and his friends broke the window of a house while playing cricket. His friends immediately ran away, while Ratan owned up and apologized for the mistake. To apologize means to regret a wrong thing. Okay, or to express. If you do a mistake, to accept the mistake and tell frankly because you do it. That is apologize. Asking a sorry to others. Okay, please forgive me. I am very sorry. Like that. That is apologize. To accept your mistake. Okay. When Ratan and his friends are playing there, they broken that window. All are running. But Ratan taking this responsibility with him and tells the truth to that neighbor that please forgive us. Unfortunately, that window glass broken. And obviously what happens next? She forgives them nicely. So try to apologize. Try to accept the mistake and then apologize. Then show the regret. Express your regret always. That is the good value. Understand? The next one, Bhaskar's friend has borrowed his textbook before the test to study. However, he lost it. As a result, Bhaskar scored less marks in the test. His friend apologized. Bhaskar did not hold any against his friend and they continued to be good friends. Here, Bhaskar's friend borrowed books from him. To borrow means to take. He taken a book from him to study. But instead giving it back, he lost that book. Okay. So how can he give it back in the time? And Bhaskar too also having exams. He also want to read that book. So in this way, Bhaskar gave less marks in the exam. The effect is bad. Then also, Bhaskar did not take any action against his friend. because he is a kind man. He forgive him. So forgiveness is a good value of your behavior, understand? And his friend apologizes or regrets his mistake with his friend. Friend, unfortunately I lost your book now, and you also having very less numbers in the exam because of me, only because of me. Please, friend, forgive me, like that. He accept his mistake and must the two forgive him. So their friendship is going on like that. So when we learn to forgive others on their minor, major mistakes, we are in our relation as it is. That things not reflect on our relation, on our bondage. Okay. The origin of values. Page number next 26. Given below are some more case studies. Read and understand various factors affecting the origin of personal values. Origin means, you know that word, you learn this word in science. Okay. Start only, start. Origin means start. Rina's father has always taught her to speak the truth. As a result, honesty is Rina's value. So, being an honest person, you have to do like that habit in you. And the atmosphere in Rina's house is like that only. Her father always preferred to having to speak the truth always. So, obviously, Rina value honesty. Understand? The next situation is that Seema's school is very particular about students coming on time and submitting their work on time. Though her family is not very particular about it, because of her school, punctuality and discipline are the part of her value system. So punctuality is the part of each and every school. So you should go in time in the school always. But in Seema's house, atmosphere is not like that. So she don't having this quality, punctuality. Understand? That means atmosphere always affects us. Mahesh's family is very humble. He buys very simple clothes on his birthday and uses the leftover money for gifts to the needy. Needful persons means that persons who need the help. The persons having troublesome period in their life, that they are the needful persons. Here Mahesh buys simple clothes for his birthday and the money, leftover money, means his parents giving him some particular amount, he spends with less amount for his own interest, and the remaining leftover amount he spent for the needful persons. So he is showing his humanity. Okay. The next one, Jagvijay has keen interest in science. Keen interest means likeness. Okay. He tries to find scientific reasons for all physical happenings around him. He does not believe in superstitions or traditions which he thinks are unscientific. Scientific temperaments is a value for Jagvijay. So temperament means what? Swabhav. Temperament means what? Swabhav. His behavior is that he believes in science and not interested in blind beliefs coming a long time. Okay, superstitious things all the people surrounding doing in their real life. He don't like that. He always taking interest in scientific moments only, experiments only. Okay, the next one, Jamshed reads a lot about heroic tales for freedom fighters. This has deeply influenced Jamshed. Heroic tales are freedom fighters stories. Tales means stories. This is deeply influenced Jamshed. For Jamshed, having the courage to fight for the right cause is very important. So here Jamshed's value is what? He has courage, because he always listens and reads the courageous stories. Balaji comes from a family where sharing things with others and giving importance to community life is important. Thus he has become part of his family. So Balaji's value is that he treats others like family members, shares each or everything with them. This is his quality. Points to ponder. Personal values can originate from a variety of sources like home, school, culture, society, religion, books, philosophy, science, etc. So our values are coming from where? That place means our origin. Understand? So which are that places? That places means our home, school, our surroundings. That are the places where we live only. So that is our origin, from where we get more and more values. Understand? Values means what? Our habits, our career, like that. Assignment. Well, 2-3 lines I forget. Some values are chosen by people according to their will, and after a lot of thought, some values are inherited by virtues or belongings to a particular faith, culture, religion, family, community, etc. It is important to rethink about your personal values from time to time to check if they are being followed. If anybody praising you like that, he is very particular, he is very, very good in that work. If others sing about you like that, then also we think about that sentence. People are saying about me like that, so I try to best in that thing, and slowly this acting is doing as a habit. Okay, you taking interest in that because the others tell his drawing is very good. So you also taking interest in drawing. Others telling about me that my drawing is very good. So let's see it is good or not. You are trying to practice more and more, and it's become your habit, and then your value only. People understand, people knowing you, recognize you with your drawing only. Like that, others also helps us to find out our values. Understand? Assignment. Think of 3 people whom you look up to. It could be your parents, relatives, friends, neighbors, celebrities, or anybody. Think of 3 people whom you look up to. Look up to means you want to see them, you want to follow them only, you like them. You think about that 3 people only. Then think about what values they exhibit. Exhibit means they have only, they have. So what are their qualities, what are their values, find out them. Talk to them to find out why they uphold these particular values. Uphold means to fix it, to keep in mind always, to follow that habit only. Uphold means. Write a report in your notebook. So find out the 3 persons around you which you like. Okay, so maybe around you or you know them, no problem. So fix the 3 person and then try to find out their values and try to write about that value, how they afford their value, how they get their value. Just I told you this drawing example like that. How they somebody tells you that your acting is very good, you doing someone's mimicry in a very well manner. So why don't you try as a hero? Like that. They recognize you. They told you your value. Like that. You have to find out three persons, talking with them, taking interview, or write down how they get their values, like this. Understand? And this is your activity, homework. Okay, do it well. Here in the next page 27, we have some more activities, more habits, more reflections. So try to read them on your own, understand them, or discuss that points with your parents, no problem. And what are the questions? Write it down in one notebook. 200 notebook is always with you. Keep it with you and try to fill in. These are all homeworks. Let's see the last page. Firstly, home, a replica of the society. Replica means what? It is a copy, or we can say it is a brand. Okay. In Marathi we can say it nakal. Copy only, duplicate. Like that. So home is a duplicate of our society only. Okay. Our home is in a way a replica of our society. Different members of our family stay together in harmony. Everybody has equal responsibility towards his or her home. Now, think about the word decision in your home. Do you think it is fair? Would you like to suggest something in it? On the basis of which value should the word be distributed? Means we live in our house. That time we always think about the house. This is we have done in our house for our house decoration or keeping our house clean. We have to do this. We have to change it. We have to keep this thing, this corner, or this thing is not seeing good in this corner. Like that, we think about our home. Okay. Values versus norms. Look at the following two scenarios and try to reflect the difference between values and norms. Here we already discussed these two concepts before in the starting of the period. So scenarios means what? The stories of the pictures, that is called as scenarios. Okay. So throwing litter in the school premises was strictly disallowed in Pushkar school. Pushkar never throws litter anywhere except the dustbin bay in school premises. The Pushkar school always prefer to keep that litter in the dustbin. Prefer the dustbin always. Don't throw the litter anywhere. Understand? Like that, this habit is valued in him. So he has habit to don't throw anywhere the litters. Keep the surrounding clean and neat. So this school, his school, injected that value in him. We can say like that. However, when Pushkar is walking on the street, he does not mind throwing litter on the footpath. But before that, he is doing that. He is throwing that litter anywhere in the street before that. Now he is not doing it because he has the discipline in him because of the school premises is always clean and principal always prepares it. There is the discipline, strict discipline that don't throw anywhere like that. The habit changes. Pushkar. Okay. Harbhajan also studies in the same school. He too never throws litter in the school premises. Not just that, he does not throw litter around. Even when he is not on the street or in other public spaces, he does not throw litter around even when alone. So here is we found one difference. Harbhajan Singh and Pushkar both are studying in that school only. In one particular same school, and the discipline is strict. Don't throw the litter anywhere. Use always dustbin. Okay, Pushkar doing this in the school premises only, and when he go on the street, he not. Sometimes he not doing like that, or many times not doing like that. But strictly Harbhajan always use dustbin, not throwing treat us fair. So this is the minor difference between both. So how it's happened? Because of thinking only. So your thinking affects all your actions. Okay. Points to ponder. Values versus norms. Norms or values are explicit regulations dictating how people should behave. Norms and rules are also based on some or other values. Norms or rules are external to the person. Rules are limited to the place, area, society, country, etc. where they are applicable. Values, on other hand, are internal to a person, and the person tends to uphold them even if there is no explicit rule about it. A person is instinctively motivated and obligated to follow his values, no matter where he or she is. Thus, simply following external rules does not mean you uphold the values underlying the rules. So the last line is very important. You have to keep values with you each and every place. So what is the difference between values or the habits, rules? The rules and norms are always changeable. They are strictly accepted in that particular area only, because that particular area does not allow you to do this like this. Particular rules we have to follow there strictly, but values are not like that. When we have habit to give any value to the particular thing, anywhere we go, we always stick with them and doing the nice thing only. Whether the place is changed, no problem. So that is our habit only. We don't need any rules or regulation. That is our habit. So do the good habits with you only. That is your value. Simple way. Assignment rubrics here. Weightage. Criteria good, very good, satisfactory, not satisfactory, and marks here. 4 criteria are there: participation in activities, identification of personal values and planning for improvements, reflection of values in the behavior in class. So, reading that point, you have to give you how much marks you obtain, that you have to write here, and calculate your own values. Understand what are the values in you, how people understand you. He is a bad boy, always disturbing others and shouting badly like this. Others can say, or others can praising you, nice guy, coming here, always helping their parents, always listening their parents. Clever boy he is, like that, helping others. So that are your values, your recognition in the society. That is the value only. So each and every place we keep value with us only. So when you need the restrictions, you are a bad person only. Our parents tell, hey, I am not here, don't do like that, don't do this, don't do this. Instructions, restrictions, rules, regulations. When others give you that type of rules, you need that type of rules, you need that type of discipline. So you don't have any valuable thing with you. Understand? If you are a good one, if you behave like a good person, good quality, good value, no need to give you a separately discipline. They trust you blindly that he is a nice guy and doing all this without any instruction. I fully trust him like that. So try to do change in you like this from this lesson. I like this lesson very much. Much more things remains to discuss with you, but we have some time restrictions, and today I have taken much more time. So what I am telling you that completes this activity or try to write that interview. All these are your homework only, understand? You have to complete it and write it down in your 200 notebook, and afterwards showing that notebook to your teachers in your school, and you will get the points for this year, for this subject only. Understand? Now, in this way, we will stop here now. Okay, goodbye and take care.